Hi everyone, welcome in the next video. This time we're gonna we're gonna cover the front lights, we're gonna cover the headlights, we're gonna dismiss this ugly hole. So yeah, let's start to begin. We're gonna copy vertices like always we did it. We're gonna choose only this one. It'll be okay without you. Control D, leave them a little bit up, and selection. So at this moment we have to move you a little bit forward. Okay, it's good. And now we have to hide something. Yo, give me back this. I'm gonna select only this part. Control I, inverse selection, and I will hide it. It's not gonna annoying us. Okay. This show us our blueprints. Okay, we good. So now we're gonna extrude it. And we're gonna select our hood with this part. I don't know how to name it. We're gonna press the magnet and choose the vertex mode. So we can snap this right here. And already uncheck this, come back to increments. We don't need you. Go down. Again, increments and vertex. Always try back to increments, because if you don't, you will forget and you will be annoying at one moment. What the hell is going on? So we good now. Okay, it's a little bit too low, so we're gonna press double G, and when we slide on this edge, we're gonna press C. It's gonna, we can now extend it by further way of the vertex. All right, so now I'm gonna slide those one here. Okay, it's good. Double G, play with them a little bit. You will go lower. Double G, set this somewhere in the middle. Okay. You need to be here. Just slide like this. How you look from the top? Oh, you're ugly. God damn it. I'm gonna try to look it nicer. We always can use our loop tools and relax on bottom and on the top. Okay, a little bit better, but now we have come back here. We back to the same position. Okay, we're gonna leave it like this. I don't think nothing more gonna happen. No, different way. Click all, subdivide, and dissolve this middle edge. Now select those two verticals, make the shape. Okay, looks better. Gonna tilt it a little bit, and we're gonna add already the modifier, solidify modifier. It's go on wrong side, so we're gonna go to back to edit mode, Control N, recalculate outside. So now the solidify go in good side into inside, and remember to click only rim. We don't need this back, we want only the thickness of the part. Above, we're gonna move it above the subdivision modifier, and now we're gonna apply the solidify. Subdivision 2. Let's give number 3. And now make it sharp here and there. Wait, back, double G. What's happening here? Double G. Okay, we good. We're just gonna select those vertical behind and move it like this, so there's no gap between those two parts. Nice. Same we're gonna do here. We're gonna select this back verticals, move it here, there will be no gap, and now we can add extra loop here to make it sharp. Also, there's something happens here on our bumper. There's a lot happening here. So diffie modifier sometimes work, sometimes not. You have adjust your wireframe after it. Okay, we're close to fix it. The fuck? Okay, it will be better. Now we can choose these verticals without or with. We're gonna leave it like this. It's better than nothing. Just gonna adjust this one. Ah, here again, same thing. You will go here and up. Okay, good. We have to back to our part. Looks good to me. Solidify. subdivide, not solidify, and now it's really fucked up here. So we're gonna do like it's good, kinda. Self-adjust better. It's a little bit visible right here. It's not bad actually. So we're gonna leave it like this. How it's look in this view, it's everything should go a little bit forward, but okay, we're gonna leave it like this. Looking good to me. So now we're gonna jump into our main part, the headlight. Not copy this, select all of them, and now copy the edges. Not you. Okay. Actually everything is fucked. So we're gonna do here, here, and here. We're gonna move it forward, holding Control, and just move it by one click to the front. Now P selection, select everything, Control J to connect. We're gonna delete verticals that we don't need. So it's gonna be you, and you. Merge at center, connection, by distance, no verticals. Okay, you will go a little bit up. At center. Now we can move back in the edit mode, holding the control. We're gonna move it a little bit back and scale this up just a little bit. Adjust. And now we're gonna scale it to x-axis, press 0, and our chassis, I'm not sure I'm calling this good, it's done for the headlights. We're gonna close the back. I'm gonna do it like this. Auto smooth. There's something happening here. Whoa. What the heck? Center. Wait, we have to verticals. Do it one more time. Hey, what is going on? By distance. Extrude, scale X. Now it's looking. Why is it curved? Okay. Oh, it's Okay, now it's good. Now it's good. We don't touch nothing more. Actually, we can remove you. Self edge. And you. Shade auto smooth. And now it's looking good, clean. But it's not very important, so now we go to our headlights. We're gonna add circle, rotate in y-axis by 90 degrees, scale them down. Move it a little bit forward. They are around here. Okay, good. And now we're gonna use the reference image that I have on the other monitor, other screen. We're gonna make now this one here. So place it on the second screen or make it something like this. Image editor, open and try to find your image and upload it here. It's always easier when you watch it, when you have opened it at the moment when you try to make it. Okay. So this will go it's bigger. Okay, now we're gonna extrude it a little bit outside and extrude it again to the end because of this black frame. And then we'll take easier mode, we'll go all the way end, and now we're gonna make this silver thing. We're gonna extrude it to this point, scale it down, do it one more time. Should be something like this. We're gonna extrude it like here because it's the placement for the bulb. And here we're gonna add one extra loop because here was some kind of this thing. So we're gonna add extra edge loop, go to face mode, select all of them, Control D, scale them down and press P to selection. Now we're gonna choose this, subdivide them, and we're gonna remove in edge mode the middle one, and we have something like this. Now manually, it's probably a different way how to do it, but I don't know it yet. So manually I'm gonna select the edges, selected, freeze, selected, freeze, freeze, selected, freeze, selected, and all the way. And now just gonna scale this. Not here. Active element, no. Mediana into, we have to change this thing. If it's not working on your blend projects, now we're gonna select outline, extrude this out, use our lip tools and go into circle. Make it a little bit smaller and we good. Shade all to smooth. Nice and clean. Okay, our first tube is kinda done. Cursor to selection. We're gonna add the UV sphere, scale it down. This will be head of our bulb. We're gonna remove it, those verticals, except this one. And now it's easier to choose the back one. We don't need it. We have to do something inside of this. So we're gonna add another sphere. Scale it even lower, even smaller. Extrude it in x-axis. Verticals. And we're gonna extrude this here. This will be our bulb. It's very small detail, except to you. If you want to do render that looking into the headlights, okay, try to spend more time on this, but now for me it's good. Okay, we will go to our second one. This one has some kind of lens, so we're gonna try to make step by step. Add circle, rotating y-axis, and now we're gonna extrude this inside. Don't look at this blueprint. We're gonna make it now more like in real life. From here, okay, we have go forward somewhere here. Okay, how to make it? Extrude individual verticals, no. Edges, no. Individual faces, no. Okay, so if now we have this one, we're gonna choose the out edges, extrude it to the back, shade smooth, and now we're gonna make the inside of it. Also, we're gonna try to go with this inside. Yo, a little bit smaller. And oh yeah, we're gonna have add here in face mode. Select this one, copy, move forward, selection. We're gonna make the famous BMW rings. Gonna scale them down and extrude it a little bit. Okay, this one is done. This one will be inside here, so we're gonna align in the materials. And now I'm gonna close the Discord. go fuck yourself. Now gonna make our model, move this back, extrude it inside, extrude it and scale it inside, and now extrude it outside. Go into this some kind of cone. Maybe we go too far with this. Yep. Something like this. Now we're gonna extrude it again inside and here. And this part is done. Shade smooth, auto smooth. Recalculate outside. Always remember about your face orientation. Because here is everything. This one have to be flipped. Here something is good, something is fucked. We're gonna flip it. And also you have to be flipped. Aye. Okay, we're gonna leave it. Face orientation. I'm gonna select this one, cursor to selection. We're gonna add a UV sphere. This will be our lens. Shade auto smooth. Make it a little bit flatter in the x-axis. Okay, now it's good. And okay, something that I missed. It's something like this. Okay, now we're gonna add just a simple cube. I'm gonna make this small detail here. Should be we're gonna leave it in the middle here at the center, sorry, and we're gonna go into edit mode and lift it here so the origin point is still in the middle. And vertex mode, slide this back, up. Gonna do something like this. Simple thing. And now we're gonna go to front view. We're gonna add, oh yeah, right here, we're gonna add an empty. Come back to our object. We're gonna generate and add array modifier 10. Press 0 here, and in object offset we're gonna choose our empty, and now it should rotate, but it's done. It's on our empty. Okay, scale. Okay, we have to press Ctrl A and apply the scale, and now make it make it just looks good. It's okay for me. The second part of our light is done. Okay. So second part of our light is done. It looks okay. So now we're gonna make our indicator. So we have to choose those verticals. We're gonna copy them, move forward, selection, and also we have to copy again those one, move them forward, selection. Now we're gonna merge them all. Yo, there's so many verticals. Delete. 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 Merge by distance. Merge by distance. You again will have go here and merge by distance. Yo, add center, sorry. Add center, add center. We're gonna leave it like this. And now we're just gonna add, we're gonna jump into render, Z render. If you have NVIDIA cards, oh yeah, and choose from if to cycle and choose the GPU compute. If you don't have NVIDIA, you have to go to preference. It was system, and change from CUDA to HIP. Like me, I have Radeon and it's work well, but you have to choose your graphics card from here, from HIP if you have Radeon. So yeah, at this moment we good. We're gonna add some lightning just to see results. Maybe some plane for the bottom. Okay. And now we're gonna add material that's this is gonna look like clear way, a clear indicator that we have in our BMW. We're gonna go to Node, the two shader edit. We're gonna add the new material, and now we're gonna add texture, wave texture. We're gonna press Ctrl T. It's gonna add mapping at texture coordinate. If nothing happened at your shader editor when you press Ctrl T, go again to preference, click add-ons, and it was check for Node Wrangler add-on and click it on node wrangler, and when you press Ctrl T, it's gonna work nice. So now we're gonna add bump, connect to the normal color from wave texture to height, and now we're gonna play around here at mapping. We're gonna rotate in y-axis. That's we have horizontal lines, and yeah, we can also change it here, but we're just gonna do it here. You're gonna scale them a little bit, add some distortion, not too much. Detail, nothing really happens. Detail scale, gonna adjust just to have some that kind of mess. Gonna leave it like this. And we're gonna change, we're gonna delete this one. We're gonna add shader and glass. And now it looks way better. We can adjust the roughness. Play with those things. I'm gonna adjust the scale. And also we're gonna have add inside of our lamp to solid mode, select this thing, selection. I'm just gonna make it simple way. Merge at center. This looks like mess. It is a mess. I'm gonna I'm gonna turn off the stall diffuse modifier, and now recalculate outside, change material. For now, something we can create. We're gonna create the new one. Add metallic to 1, roughness to, I don't know, 0.28, render, and it's look already better. Adjust the scale, add this too. And yeah, our thing is good. But now, last thing, origin to geometry, 3D cursor to selected. We're gonna add a sphere. Scale this, place it somewhere inside. We have mirror modifier here, we don't want it. And we're gonna make those sphere material orange, and it's looks way better at this moment, but we're gonna choose material later. I just want to show you how to make those one clear with those so we're gonna back to our solid, make it smooth, and we're gonna make cover for our lights. We're gonna select those things and this again, selection. We're gonna remove this, it's disturbing us. Okay, it's good. Removing verticals that we don't need. Okay, not you. And not you. We're gonna slide this on here, remove those one. Come on, Blender. Slide it here, remove this one. Merge at center, merge at center. And here is also some verticals. We're gonna connect them, remove verticals, and we're gonna slide it here. We can do some cheating here by just remove those verticals and connect. We're gonna move this one lower and connect with this one. No one will know the glass is going under this thing. So now we have, gonna remove you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? This is the side. This is the side. This is the side. It's 13 verticals. It's not, my math is bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is good. Somewhere is a double. What's happened here? Okay. Oh, here you are. Okay. You have to go. Need to move you just a bit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's again 13. No way. Somewhere is double verticals. Here is 2. Here is 2. And here is 2. Okay. Gonna merge them by distance. Okay, thank you. 4, 5, 6 and 6. It's 12 now. So we have this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. for grid fill, nice, shade smooth. And we good to go. Just gonna make it like this. And yeah, we good at our headlight render. We're just gonna make it different material, alpha, a little bit lower. Yeah, we good to go. So at this moment, remember to apply the mirror modifier to all of your parts. This will go to second side. Use empty to add this, like in previous material, I believe. We're gonna hide this one. Add, we have already empty at the middle. Choose our part, add modifier, generate mirror, y-axis, and just press on empty, and we are good. Almost. Okay, y. Okay, and now we good. So yeah, thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye.